In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your audio using Suno AI. Whether you're working on a podcast, an interview, or just some personal recordings, clean and crisp audio can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. First, open up your project in Suno AI. If you're not familiar with Suno AI, it's really easy and intuitive to use, offering a wide array of tools to enhance your sound effectively. Once your project is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time. You'll see several options, but today we're focusing specifically on enhancing the sound quality. Now let's head over to the equalizer and effects. This is where the magic begins. The equalizer will help you adjust various frequencies in your audio. For instance, if your recording seems a bit too bass heavy, you can bring that down for a more balanced sound. You can also play around with the mid and high frequencies to find a sweet spot that matches the tone you're aiming for. Additionally, take a look at the effects available. Depending on your project, you might want to add a bit of reverb for depth or use compression to even out the sound levels. Don't worry too much, have some fun experimenting. This is your chance to tailor the audio to perfectly suit your vision. Once you're happy with the equalizer settings and any effects you've added, it's time to adjust the vocal clarity and the balance between the vocals and any background music. Having clear vocals is crucial, particularly for spoken word projects. You don't want your listeners straining to hear what's being said. There's an easy slider that lets you adjust how prominent the vocals are in comparison to the background music or any ambient noises. Try bringing up the vocals slightly if they seem drowned out, or adjust the background music down a notch if it's overpowering the vocals. Occasionally, recordings can have unwanted noise, perhaps a low hum or some background chatter. This is where noise reduction comes in handy. Apply noise reduction if necessary. You'll find it in the toolbar. Suno AI has a pretty advanced noise reduction feature that can help clean up your audio tracks significantly. Be subtle with this tool though, as overdoing it can affect the natural tone of your audio. Finally, remember to preview the improvements you've made. This is a crucial step. Listen closely to ensure everything sounds balanced and aligned with your creative goal. If it all sounds good, go ahead and save your project. Ensure you save it in the desired format, whether that's WAV, MP3, or any other extension you need. That's it. You now have enhanced audio ready for sharing. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're satisfied with your polished sound. Happy editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital projects.